सभी को स्वागत किया है मेरे यूट्यूब चैनल। तो बात करेंगे आप लोगों के साथ सेंसेक्स के बारे में। सेंसेक्स सेटल 770 PTS lower Nifty instead below 25,050 VIX supported 6.31%. The key equity benchmark indeed with the major cuts today marking a sharp reversal from the previous session gain as the board-based selling pressures emerged across sector. Investor turn cases the ahead of the union budget 2026 and the racing domestic and global uncertainties. The Nifty indeed that bet below the 25,050 mark. All the sectoral indices in the NSE trade in the red, which reality media and the PSU banks are losing the most as per provisional closing data. The barometer index, the S&P BSE Sensex tumbled 769.67 points or 0.94% to 81,537.70. The Nifty 50 index lost 241.25 points or 0.95% to 25,448.65. The broader market underperforms the frontline indices. The S&P BSE Mid-Cap Index dropped 1.56%, while the S&P BSE Small Cap Index fell 2.19%. The market breaks was the week on the BSE. 1,325 shares rose and 2,884 shares fell. A total of 152 shares were down since the NSE India VIX gives of the market expectation of volatility over the near term jumps 6.31% to 14.19. The rupee hit a fresh record low of 91.99 against the US dollar. An intraday trade on the Friday, pressures by weak global cues and the president dollar demand. The Indian stock market will remain short on Monday, 26 January 2026 for Republic's Day. World Economic Forum. In a surprise appearance at the World Economic Forum in Davos, billionaire Elon Musk said artificial intelligence could become smarter than all of the humanity combined within the next 5 years. India has emerged as the premier hub for artificial intelligence application, leveraging its tech positive population and strong software legacy to transitions into the full of all AI economy.